Hello, my name is Tom, and today we're talking about energy and speed. What is energy and what is speed? What is speed, you may ask? Well, speed is the rate at which someone or something is able to move or operate, sort of like how I'm talking right now. What is the speed formula? The speed formula is a way to determine speed. The speed formula works by dividing distance by time. The example is miles divided by hours to get miles per hours. How is math connected to speed? Math is connected to speed by three ways: power, structure, mass, and weight. Power is the ability to exert maximum amount of force in a short period of time. Structure is the way the object is made. Mass and weight, how heavy the object is. Is there a way to increase speed? There's a way to increase speed. You would have to add more velocity, put less mass, add more aerodynamics, and add more energy. That would help you increase. All around us, even in very slow things, such as a rock. A rock may have no speed looking in your eye, but when you look closer, its molecules are vibrating. Vibrating equals speed with kinetic energy. What if we can harness lightning? To harness lightning, you would need something fast enough to catch it, or if you just want, you can use a rod on a building if you want to. The most important thing in harnessing lightning is to have a material that can store and use the lightning's energy. This is a model of a lightning energy building. This building is a fair structure with is really good, but the rod on the side is an insulator slash power storing material. This lightning rod, as you would call it, would be strong enough to withstand the lightning's energy and heat. What are some good energy sources? There are many good energy sources, but there is some that won't run out of every size. Some are nuclear energy, water energy, solar energy, geothermal energy, lightning energy, etc. Nuclear energy is splitting atoms apart. Water energy is using dams. Solar energy is basically sun. Geothermal energy is basically getting heat from the earth to power your machines. Lightning bolts, I already talked about. Water energy. In my opinion, water is the most valuable natural resource. Water is the key for life. So instead of using fresh water, we can use seawater instead. Why are we using so much fresh water for our energy when there's a tons of seawater? A way to use that is by activating this machine, the water energy machine. This machine is a cylinder, hollow cylinder that has shutters. This shutter is connected to a timer that will open after every 5 minutes. When it opens, the water will burst in, spinning a turbine and providing energy on the magnets on the coals, and then connected to a wire will send energy to the battery. One machine won't be enough to power the whole world, but since the planet is basically covered in water, we can just put it everywhere in the oceans. Conclusion. With speed all around us, why don't we use it a lot? We spend so much time depending on time when really speed is not dependent. Let's say you have a spring break. In this spring break, you are given 5 reading logs to complete. So you wait for the time to come to do it. But really, you have the speed to complete it whenever you want. So why just wait that long for time to come by? So whenever you can, and whenever you look at the sea, think of it as a vast source of energy. One day it will probably provide energy for the whole world. So my credits goes to these websites. If you want to learn more, click. You can copy the link and go to the place where I was in. Okay.
And to
Goodbye.
conclude this video, once again, I'll have a race or experiment between two people. One is 96 pounds and one is 86 pounds. Observe as they start the race. The guy with the lower mass is winning so far because he has lower mass and his aerodynamics is greater. But as he comes back, he has less stamina, which is not helping because of his great less legs. Now, the guy with the bigger legs and greater mass has more energy to spare. That's why he came in first. Now, let's move on to the credits.